Hey Akshay, hi everyone. I'm Chandan. I'm from Mysore. Currently, I'm working as a software engineer at Commvault, and also I'm a Google Summer of Code organization administrator and mentor at Aussie.
Super, super,
Like in 2023, I actually was a contributor there, and currently working as a mentor.
super, super. So yeah, guys, today's session will be all about Gsoc, Google Code of Summer. So today we have Chandan in the house. So he have been mentoring Gsoc since from past more than 1 year. So today he will be saying his journey, how he participated in the Gsoc, what are the skill set required for Gsoc, and during the college days, how he came to know about that Gsoc, job opportunities, stipend, open source contribution. Everything will be covering in this session. So without wasting much time, we'll jump to the top. So Chandan, over to you. Just enlighten us to our audience and also to me how you came to know about this Gsoc stuff. Over to you.
So basically, like after my 12th exam, there is a exam called KSET in Karnataka for
Okay.
engineering entrance.
Mhm.
So I completed KSET exam, and on that day only in the evening I started learning programming. Like
Okay.
I used to like software development since my childhood, so I started learning from there only. Like
Okay.
while learning, what the problem with me was, like even a Udemy course would like cost 599 or 499,
Mhm.
I guess.
Mhm.
And at that point of time, 499 was a high
In
price
reality.
there.
Yep. Yep.
Uh, so what I thought is to learn it for free from YouTube, because there are many tutorials on
Mhm.
YouTube, like very good ones, better ones than Udemy as well.
Yep.
So I thought, let's go with YouTube. And while learning from there, I used to watch videos of Ishan Sharma,
Okay.
and
Mhm.
there is one more guy. There are many other influencers who used to talk about GSOC.
Yes, sure. Okay.
Like I was like GSOC is the best thing to do in college. So
Uh-huh.
that kind of high for
I
Google
post that.
Summer of.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. So what I felt is, if that is there, why can't I do it? Like even I
Mhm.
can try it, right?
Mhm.
So I thought of trying it, and in my first year, I thought of trying, and I was working towards it, making
Okay.
small like open source contributions.
Mhm. Okay.
But then since I also went into like building startups and handling a college club and all, so I didn't
Okay.
get much time to work towards it. So
Mhm.
I thought of dropping that idea in first year, and
Okay.
second year went like with the same things. But then in third year, I got like finally got some time. So I
Okay.
thought of work like not for GSOC,
Mhm.
but for my own personal
Hobby purpose.
like
Yeah. Like a
personal
hobby.
interest.
Mhm.
Thought of contributing to open source every day. I was part of programs like Code Peak, like which is
Yeah.
conducted by IIT Kharagpur, I guess.
Mhm.
Not exactly. So all those are like open source programs where we contribute to open source projects.
Okay.
After that, this had built up my open source profile. Like I
Mhm.
contributed to many projects by then, even though those projects are not that famous, but then it was still a open source contribution. Then somewhere around Jan or February, open like GSOC
Okay.
applications got open that year in
Mhm.
2023, I guess.
Okay.
At that time, I had no contributions to Aussie, the
Okay.
organization which I applied for.
Mhm.
But then that's where I took up the speed. Like I started building the project like from scratch, giving it the
Okay.
architecture, everything. So by the time I applied, I gave the proposal, I
Mhm.
already had made a significant contribution to that organization.
Okay.
So everyone knew me there, like the org admin, Bruno is there, and my mentor Jaideep. Everyone
Okay.
already knew I am there, I exist, I contribute to Aussie.
Okay.
So once they knew it, you can just think that if you send a proposal, you are almost selected.
Mhm.
So that is where when I gave the proposal only, I knew that I would be selected. That was my confidence there.
Okay.
So yeah, that is where I got selected to GSOC, and that year I was a contributor, and this year I was a mentor and organization administrator as well there.
Super, man.